Minister N. Biriana Karamatam Senapati District Lakatake Haina Naibada Senapati Autonomous District Council Awaba Mayok Hari. Kurumzari. I used to be a Palming Tabiri Sing Taram Nokjari, Hosing Moripao, Sandona Pizari. Minister N. Birena sing Balingakna, sing the Satsi, go to Hill, Hypercola, Golina, sing Tampuna, Tom Manana, Sakut Minanaba, Tabakaya, Packet Kenny Haina, Lau Kibata Manga, Pazilak Labapauba, Senapati District Headquarters, the York 3 Hari. Karamatam the Yorkataki Haina Naibada, Awaba Ama, where Haina Senapati Autonomous District Council Chairman, ML Maxon upon Docre. Chairman Lusinguna, Executive Member Sing, Naga People's Organization, Amadi Students Union Mihut Yauna. Mamang Lengana Lucian and the Tamlamba Senapati District Hospital, people Yangshin Basapada, MLA Maxon Makatana Hakibada, District Hospital Asada Medical Officer Taraga Marie Lepam Topada Anikak Lady, Angamadi Sarugi Doctor Su, Hospital Asada Laitri, Senapati Autonomous District Council Gi, Lucian Lady Administrative Block Su, Makatana Yangshin Ki. Administrative Block Asi listening to Tom de Saba Horumla Lep Kivani Hari. At the hostel Sapam Hom Dalana Muse in the Leshilambasu Tengnarki. District Nursing School Amadi Hostel Saba Horum Laga, Lucian Lady, Supermarket Amadi, Tribal Marketu, Saba Lepre, Urban Sports Infrastructure Scheme Gimakada Any Sina, Lupa Crore Taruk Pirka Sakiba Multipurpose Indoor Hall, Gallery Pan Yaudi Haina, Gallery Sadabana, Kanapam Kangri. Concert Atuga Marie Lena ML Maxina, Makatana Hakibada, Mamang Lengana, Tabakaya Tormlaga, Losilam Daba, Amadi Matam Queen Mirai Biduna Tambiri, and Obelinga Asuna Dugumba Tawangadu Satori, Habit Hazabali. District Headquarters Yawat Pakaya, see at Womatam does Minister N. Birena Yangshandana, Lucian related projection, Lucian View Amadi, our passing mention view, Hina Pondorabli.
Akogi Hazabale, Akogi Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Berensinna. Go to hills, Haina Het Amagi, Ama Haibele, Sule, Aduga, hills gi, Kuri Awapa le, Aduna, hills gi numik, Haina Shu, Akoida, Haibi Basule, Maramaduna, Mana, Haibi Kiba Mayamsi, Akoi, Achauba Ashai Kodale, Maramdi, Mahaki Adugumba concern Amadi, Mayam the Tambiraga, hills gi Awapa Krile, Tobi the Bakrile, Akoi Tauge, go to hills. Having a quay, a sigma mayam say quay Kalaga, Yam Haroe, Adubo, Hoji Pobudi, Government I question of the district, Hanna, Hondulaga Tambikiba development, Pakaliba, Mayamsi, Yensin Bidri, Maramaduna, Government I quay, Kana I quay, Pressure Pigini, Asigumba Government, Congress Government, Hondulaga Tamkiba development, Mayamsi, Hojiki Anova Government I quay, Yensin Laga, district, Tobio, Habamade quay. KSO General Headquarters Sinduna Ngasi Cookie Black Dega Mari Lenana Miam Kongshat Amasakre, Tamaban Tau Ground Dagi Horaga, Singmerong, North AOC, Kuyatong Powerga, Tamaban Tau Ground Amu Halatuna, Rally Adulation Key, Rally Asigamari Lenana, KSO President, Pin Pautin Tang Lufengna, NSN IMG, Warushin Proctineda, Cookie Kaya Hat Kibia Chumba, Wayal Hana Pangadamani Hari. Say Kungabari Mamang September Tang Traum Doida, Zopi, Gelnel, Amasong Janglian Pai Kulgi, Cookie, Missam Sam Hena, Ts, Muibana Lusing, NSN, IMG Kadasina, Tamtin Hat Kihari, Cookie Lusing, Ama Hena Makata, Production, the Hat Pagaluna, Cookie Kul Chom Hum Pumang Tanki, Cookie Missam Lak Amarum Hena Mayumake, Lehenkide, Barashakana Cookies in the Sumawel, Pangandribahoba, NSN, IM Gawarushan, Pratnabahona Roidabani Haki.
Engage the NSNIM in a political dialogue and sign a framework agreement. This is not acceptable because this crime against humanity should be settled first. If not settled by the government, the Kuki people will resort to any means necessary to thwart this peace process and all. So what the KSO and Kuki MP, one is that this issue of genocide should be settled first before finalization of this framework agreement. If not, there will come a time for the Kupi people to decide their own course of action, which will not be in the interest of the Indian government.
Amaramda More Ward number 8 Talaiba Hill Tribal Council ki office ta su Cookie Black Day ki thoram pangthokre toan ba organization ke ana sinduna pangthoki thoram da Cookie NP Manipur ki president Professor Kamlian Khum Liangjo Hill Tribal Council ki president Jinsei Lungdin amadi toan miyo ke ana sab yaki thoram madu mari lenena Cookie NP Manipur ki president Professor Kamlian Khum Liangjo na ISTV News da wafam kaya phongdoraki
particularly in the Cookie inhabited areas. So here in 1993, the NSNIMs launched ethnic cleansing. So due to this, the Cookie innocent peoples lost their lives. That is 905 Cookie innocent peoples were killed, 360 villages were uprooted, and more than 1 lakh people were displaced. There have been displacements. So that was the consequences of this incident. So that's why today, due to these incidents, we observe this Black Day. That means we respect our innocent peoples killed by the NSNIMs in 1993.
Kalapata Fisheries Minister N. Kai Sinangasi Tuan Makali nga masa lising kuntrarom thadakre. Nga masa sing si thadabatuda Fisheries Department ki Director David K. Shimre, Additional Director Elangbam Solosana, Joint Director S. Biramani Singh, Impal West ki DFO, TS Imobi, Chief Executive Officer O. Zibolata Devi Yauna Marine Official Kaya Saruyaki, Minister N. Kai Sina Hakibada, Nga Hadaribasi, Kanglapaki, Ising, Moslibasi, Sengdok Nanabani, Masidamiam Mating Pangbiduna, Sakana Pakali Batabas, my pan view, Kanglapatagi, Nga Pabaki Tabak Tobigan Haki.
Department na Kanglapak Sidanga Machat Hadari Visi, Masi Yamna Ajoba Todangamani and Iklojai, Adamasi, Nga Machat Hadari, but Masi, a public Prajamayam Corporation PBU, Aduganga Machat Hadari Visi, Ikoina, Archaeology, Nga Machati Fishery Department at Hadagani, Adamasi, Archaeology na, Masi Sena Bikini, Visi, Esnot Hajari, Nasinga Machat Hadari Visi, 30,000, 30,000 Masida. Nga makal surubani nga makal si sure aduna nga macha si akhoi 30,000 si thadaraga masi akhoi archaeologic hoida sina bikini
Hojuk salibe academic session asidagi hona graduation gi first semester da maitei mayek na iba MIL amadi elective Manipuri gi lyric sing mairu sing hoju phawa phanganda ba habasi asumba thong natti haina coordinating committee of college students union Manipur khangalagli Marine Labor Department ni yang sang tuna mahiru sing ya wa ba si kon view education minister na su yang sang view hari break amatang luminas
Sky Hospital da world class interventional cardiology ki khudong chab leijare operation togdana heart ke ahobo memba coronary stenosis balloon na kam thoga stent hapa madi mi hun chongba gi layeng RF ablation singba chahi ani digi hena Sky Hospital da mai pa satharakli loinana PPI ICD combo amasung angiogram gi damak aikoi gi chief cardiologist Dr. L Shyam Kishore gatana view ningam hogdana ba hana booking tawbiu
Drink pure, live healthy, we care.
Ladies Fitness World, Keshampat Junction, Tidim Main Road. Hakjang sengna fana thamba haibasi, aikhoi nupi oibigisu hojiki matamdadi yamna tangai fadaba mani. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Datsun Ginona Lone Storaba Yamna Powerful Oiraba Gari Ready Go 1 liter Island Nisanda from Biragani. Nasima Klakpiduna Test Drive Tobiraga Gari Asi Comfort and Convenience features in Kangbiu. Booking Gidamak links in Birau Island Nissan near Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. Akupamaro Gidamak, please refer phone number Asda contact Tobiro.
Nasidi Suara Jingge. Ture, kari naman tuti siya. Masi kari yaw sa. Sidi yosi na nini masigi yosi di tatatis ko nini. Adudi sanagi mahut yang na sinbayandre.
Berarti matungda makata apa pau pizari. Sanapati district ki amata ngairaba government college ama oriba tatubi Hill College asida oza tarahum doi khakna mahiro sing takpi tambiri. College asida punna oza kunthraga taruk leigadabani hari. Oza matik sana leitabana maram oidona mahiro yi masing nongmagi hantharak le hari. College asigi phibam ansam desam amadi mau students union as junction bada college asida suknati go oza tarahum doi khaktana larik takpi bi thabak asi thengnarakibani. College asigi didio 30% na phongdorpada oza masing yamdabana college asina phaba mahiroi puthokpada awaba ama ori college asida mai phangdabana computer leiriba mayam asi ariamada taduna leire athubu matamda sakarna miyeng sangwiduna college asigi awar apa sing yengsin bi haina phongdorogli.
Teaching staff wali ba punamok se akoi loina mention biragadi akoi gi soidana college functional loigani maruna akoi college haju jimak mai leite mai pb hoina akoina government da apply to bujima sing kangre adubo hojpok mai pb de college amada mai leitena kamai togdana college am salai doino akoi karim thabam ta hajim tam de mai yawdadi thabam ta yadbane do mai se hojpok da hanjan hairba so mai pb de computer salai ya de mai leitam nina
and some executive secretary AC Thotson Pongdoropada Manipur Sakarna education Sakura Hangani Haina Sindalaurabasu Sanapati district amata ngairaba Sakari college asidi nomagi pibam sokchalagli college asida science subject takpi tambi bagi khudong saba leitri haiki.
This is the lone college in the district, as well as this district is a border to other state. If we reinstate and revive all this institution into a very standard where students can come and study, where the teaching and learning process can be conducted, so that we can also attract others students from even from the other state also.
Panchayat election mari lenana khana senabagi thodok ta mioi ani sok tona like na khre thodok si ngarang ahing nongyaida kairang khumidok jila parishad ki manung chanba khumidok manglen mapan da thokibani solba mioi sing adudi MD Rahimuddin sei humpuga manga amadi Miss Mehnaz ni Rahimuddin gi kok mai amadi mafam kya da sokhi aduga Mehnaz gi na khudang da sokpadagi public hospital la lekat nabani thodok thopam dagi phangma pawgi matugina MD asau ko ba mioi amagi mayum dangrang numidang jila parishad ki mirep amagi meeting cha tharingaida atopa mirep amagi workers na sai amadi long paiduna attack torpada mioi ani du sokhibani thodok asigi matang dangrang numidang hangang police da wakat khre amaromda thodok adu da chenaba mioi sing phaduna ain yu oba cherak piu haiduna lamdam adugi nupi singna ngasi Imphal East SP office tamna thomjin khre police na SP office hajin phamda miya madu thatuna thamki thodok asi karamna thokibano haibigi matang da yumbu asaubi loinabi Mehnazna ophamasi phongdorakhi. Singjamai Wakhom Lekai Government Upper Primary School ki Oza Pusparani da Rotary Club of Polo City Imphal na Nation Builder Award piduna kai khumnaba utkre. School asigi Teachers Day ki thoromda award khusnaba aduda Rotary Club ki President Birla Hobism Club ki Secretary amadi member kayasu saruk yaki. Hazullah salakpada moriba pau amakana pizari. Minister N. Biriana Karama Matamda Senapati District Lakadagi Haina Ngaibada Senapati Autonomous District Council na Awaba Ama Oire Hari. How's it? I estimate Pizza Pomatangas the Lotion Jane, being Tabiri Sing Amakana Kunza.